Hi everyone. Today I will be discussing about the landscape of the way the marketing works in terms of understanding intellectual property rights for real. What is important here is to understand the impact of the word communication network in any of the patent applications. Even if I see or whenever we perform something to call as freedom to operate in a particular jurisdiction, what happens is although patenting is jurisdiction in nature in terms of uh, there's a person with a nationality files in the home country, it might not be a home country, it can be any of the countries. Having said that, what is important here is to understand the impact. Say, for example, few of the cases which we dealt after the lockdown, because I'm not getting into before what lockdown happened and blah 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 blah. What is important right now is to understand the impact of the landscape in terms of the patenting era, which is, if we understand the law the way it has to be understood, is 20 years from the first date of filing. And in zillion applications, you have multiple priorities. So multiple priorities means first application is called the first provisional, second application is the second provisional, third application is the third provisional, fourth application is the fourth provisional. And in many of the cases over the years, what have been seen in the landscape of, especially with companies like Microsoft, Qualcomm, and others like them, who are the bigger sharks in the industry in terms of understanding intellectual property rights the way it has to work. If you look into the aspect, there have been times where multiple priorities were claimed. That's point number one. Point number two is very important from the impact of PCT, that is Patent Cooperation Treaty, how that's going to work. You file it, it goes to the IB's International Bureau. From the International Bureau, it comes back to the home country, national phase, international phase, blah, 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 blah. However, if seen in the picture of a whole landscape of the kind of patent applications which have been granted, the sad state of affairs is very evident to everyone. There are zillion actors because I'm in the blockchain, so there have been companies like the one which is mentioned on my profile also. What they did was very interesting, and I think it is worth mentioning. One fine day, they sent extra money into the account which is allocated for the transfer. And me being a lawyer, I have a current account, and I'm a registered Indian patent agent who fortunately cleared the exam after the amendment in the year 2006. Only 20 people in the country were selected, and out of which few of the folks left India for the good reasons we all know. Brain drain is real in this country. And the other players who were left off, except me, because I was also one of the players, I was in the observation stage. When I say observation stage, it was a real observation where the other patent agents, they took the whole landscape of a company called, which I'm not going to name, but that company allocated, and they were trying to get the patent drafted. So the patent attorney based out in US outsourced in terms of the KPO unit. The KPO unit, like say for example, 600 to 1000 applications for the communication. Unfortunately, I got hand on those applications at that point of time. That is the point of time when I've already drafted maybe 100 plus applications which were filed before the my IPO, if I may say that. Many of the applications, in terms of the understanding, when it was sent out to the my IPO people, many were not even filed. So in that case, whatever garbage had come in terms of the inventor's disclosure form, because for a person who is a drafter in terms of real drafting, we consider inventors, IQ as garbage. And with that garbage, I was able to articulate the way I wanted the communication network to work, how the actors are going to work, whether it's in the online world or in the offline world. And right now, we are at SOS because the underlining stream of things are not in conclusion of X person copying Y patent copying Z patent, Z patent copying Y patent. So, after a lot of deliberations, I'm of the opinion, that's my personal opinion, I'm not talking about or representing any authority per se. The understanding of intellectual property rights have to be seen as a whole in terms of what I feel is the Indian Patent Act 1970 first has to be abolished. Second, the Trademark Act 1999 has to be abolished. Number three, something new has to come. And what that new stuff is, I look forward to that because I have already said, let WIPO, USPTO, EPO come and talk about it. Let the less people based out in Singapore look into the licensing part. Let the Indian patent agents be given a due credit in terms of, I mean, they go through so much day in, day out. I mean, I go through so much being what I am in my personal capacity. Hats off to all the Indian patent agents who are alive right now because many are dead. And if you look into the data set of the Indian patent agents, that is some kind of coding they think that is something to do with the blockchain. Honestly, boss, that has nothing to do with the blockchain. Blockchain is much more. Blockchain was never 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 21. Pi was never 3.14. Pi is 2.02, or it can be 1 also, because in the inventor's mind you are able to articulate the stuff. Was zero discovered in India? And if you go through the story and just go to the chat GPT, put the data set and see how that person Aryabhatta actually came out with the zero. And I was like so surprised. And I was like, really? This is what zero is all about? Then I thought, oh, the coding which I have been doing for the years, I have to file that patent. And that's how the Light Year Ahead patent application came into place. And I'm so grateful to everyone who played a so pivotal part. I'm the applicant, so obviously I own everything. We have best of the coders from Bangalore. The other one is based out in Bangladesh. And today we were able to solve a problem which had arisen and nobody reported it in the media. And after our report, it's all everywhere. What's happening in the neighborhood? As a country, India has to be in the friendly zone. But what is under the belt is the question the authorities need to answer. Thank you for watching out the video. Have a great day ahead. And I believe that the different authorities are going to take into consideration the Indian patent agents, give them due credit in terms of a monthly package. Indian patent agents are not supposed to control the market. They are firms, blah, 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 playing out. And that's the reason, the market is crashing. Sometimes the market is rising. So it's a sad state of affair. Thank you for watching it out. Have a great day ahead.